had an epiphany, yeah. I had an epiphany that I could make history, that I could prove everyone wrong that told me I wasn't cut out for this music thing. Yeah, I had an epiphany. What if I took my energy and used it?
What's up, guys? This is your boy Brainiac coming back with another flawless video here. 750 subscribers. It went up, you know, I would say pretty much crazy. It went up another 100 or so after I pushed that thing out, but the 1,000 subscriber mark will be coming soon, and I know that it will be coming soon if I push out content that is generally pointed to you guys. And today we have a very cheap mod, and this is for your calipers. And I know all you guys see these 240SX, R34s, all these cars out there, and they got Brembo kits, and you're like, damn, Brembo looks so nice on the side of your caliper. So today, I'm gonna be showing you how to slap on a vinyl Brembo sticker, and I wanna say it only costed me $6 for the 4 decals on Amazon, and it took about a week to come in, which honestly isn't really that bad. So this is a really quick video. This is not hard. The hardest process of this video is, or I shouldn't say hardest, I should say the longest, is jacking up the car, taking the wheel off, taking, you know, basically your assembly off, and exposing the caliper. Now, when you see the caliper, then you're just gonna take your little Brembo sticker, smack it on there, push it down, make sure it's at least, you know, a nice warm temperature garage. Like right now, it is 14 degrees, and yeah, wearing shorts. So, oh well. But you're gonna need a heat gun, you're gonna need the vinyl stickers, obviously, and you're gonna need some little bit of precision to keep it lined up perfectly so it's nice and straight. And I can't wait to get this on the vehicle and show it off to you guys at the end, because another mod, another cheap mod, makes the car a little bit better every day. And P.S. you can trick those people thinking that you got Brembo, but honestly, you don't. So, yeah, let's get this video started, and I hope we hit the 1,000 subscriber mark. And honestly, I'm loving the channel, loving everything about you guys, and you guys help me out daily. So, the next video that I honestly think is coming out, because it is needed, I know all you guys love my car, and it is lowered 1.25 inches on lowering springs. And I made a video in the past how to put lowering springs on. This is my opinion. Don't do it if you live in an area like me and it's not all flat, nice asphalt, and there's potholes. Yeah, it's not good, because this has killed me and damaged a lot of stuff under the hood of my engine. And my shocks, for example. The shocks on this guy, I can't really do it from the front, but they're bad. So we're gonna get OEM shocks, because I don't like coilovers. They're too stiff and uncomfortable for me. I like a softer ride. And that's just me personally. If you're not taking this to the track, there's no reason for coils. And I'm going back to OEM, and I'm putting brand new shocks on, gonna lift it back up, and I don't have to worry about driving this guy around or have that daily thing in your head where you're like, oh, I gotta swerve around this speed bump because I'm gonna scrape the bottom of my car. I don't wanna have to worry about that. I wanna be able to ride this when I want. So let's get this video started, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces, people. Hey guys, jumping into the package, all you're gonna get is a small envelope. This isn't something gigantic. It's from R&G Decals, so if you guys wanna check them out, be my guest. But anyway, just pop it open, and you'll get this other small little bag. And these are the Brembo decals. Now, I'm going to show you how to thoroughly put these on your vehicle, so you get a little bit more street cred, even though it's not real, unless you bought Brembo brakes and then you install these yourself. That works with me, but I'm going to install these on the new calipers that I installed when I first got the vehicle, and they're pretty nice. Just white, it's gonna look good on the red. And you get 4 of them. So you have all 4 calipers ready to go. Now, personally, to add a personal touch to this, when we throw these on, we're gonna throw a clear coat over it. So then these are protected and they never, you know, wear off or burn off. And these are heat protected. So I'm curious to see how durable these guys are, and I'll have like a further review like 2 weeks later how they look on the vehicle. So let's get this video started and let's start taking off the wheels, prepping and cleaning, throwing these on, clear coating, and throwing the wheel back on. Alright guys, now your caliper, you know, it's wintertime, cold out. You guys want to take a cloth, spray it down, wipe it off. Maybe even if you want to, use some alcohol, you know, just so it's extra clean. But I'm just gonna take some Windex here, clean them off, get all that debris and dirt off. And this is a good time to touch up your calipers. Now, we just did this not too long ago, so it's okay. My calipers are in pretty good shape, you know, pretty shiny. Now, all we're gonna do is take this lovely, you know, Brembo sticker, slap it on right there. Okay, now what you want to do is line it up till it's pretty much perfect. You know, make a good example where you're going to want to place it. Okay, now what you guys want to do is take your finger, smoothen it out, make sure that's nice on there. And if you have to, take a heat gun. Alright guys, the Brembo, you know, vinyl was successfully put on there. Look at how beautiful that looks. You know, now we're gonna take the extra precaution here and we're gonna, you know, do a clear coat over it just so this beauty, you know, stays a beauty. And I'm not gonna take a garbage can, or not garbage can, a garbage bag and put it over like I did when I'm painting because it is a clear coat. If I get any on here, it's just gonna burn off. You know, here it'll be pretty much set for you guys, so let's go do that. Okay guys, we're just gonna take some VHT engine enamel like we always use and clear coat this sucker down. So shake it up real good. This can's pretty cold. I want to warm it up a little bit and just spray over it. Okay, now that the Brembo sticker's on, we successfully put some clear coat on there. Let it dry out, or even take like your heat gun or whatever and heat up, you know, the clear coat itself. So after that, we can install our wheel back on and we're ready to go. Alright guys, these things are actually coming out pretty freaking flawless. You know, I know I say that a lot, but look at them. So freaking cool to have, you know, just the lettering on there. Now, we have one more wheel to do and then we're pretty much done and we can end this video off. So let's get that last one done and I'll see you guys at the end. This is gonna be the end of my video here, and I know you guys don't like seeing the ending. I personally like seeing the ending because the video next is where the real part plays in. And I know you guys want to see the next mod, and it's gonna be my suspension. I'm lifting this guy back up and putting brand new OEM shocks on it. I'm into the, you know, JDM life. Coilovers are just not my thing, guys. If it's OEM or bags, I can't do coilovers. And I thought about it, I did lots of research. There's, you know, different dampening settings, but it's not OEM quality. It doesn't ride smooth. And it doesn't feel natural to me, because if I have hard stiff coilovers, the person in my seat, you know, I don't want them to feel like, oh, this car's super sick looking, but it rides like a piece of shit. That's all I gotta say about that. But here's the end of the calipers, and here's what the calipers look like, and they look dope. Let's go. Let's go check these guys out. Pimp my ride style. Let's go. Need our trusty flashlight. Look at these guys. Oh my god. I know my it's all dirty, I know. Look at the calipers. Just look so cool. Look at them. See if we can get the back one a little bit better looking. Oh my god. Just look at them, guys. Look at how fresh they look. And that's all on 4 sides. And somehow I managed to get this all done in negative 14-degree weather. So I'm freezing, and boy, your boy got shorts on. Your boy got shorts on. So I do hope that you guys did enjoy this video, and I can't wait to show off the next ones, and let's see where this takes us. And along the way, I am graduating this year, full-time work, college on the side. You know, it's gonna be nice because we might buy another car for the channel, and I'm really looking into cars, and I'm really looking into STIs, 370Zs, like something brand new, like super sick to drive around. Because I'm not gonna drive around a grandmother's car. I still want the 400 horsepower that every single one of them got, and the Mazda's gonna be a project. And I know the Mazda's a little bit newer to be a project, but somehow, some way, we're fitting a 2JZ in this. I don't know how, don't know when, don't know how much, but I'm doing whatever it takes to turn this into a dedicated drift build in the future when I have another vehicle to drive daily like this one. So I hope you guys do stay tuned on my channel, get me up to 1,000, even get me up more past 1,000, and we'll grind more videos, get more cars on the channel, and I can see the future. It's coming my way, and I can't wait to graduate from high school because this is my future. So let's end this video the right way, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces, people. Yo, what's up, guys? I hope you guys enjoyed my flawless video here. Please hit that subscription in the left corner and check out my videos on the right. I hope you guys do enjoy my videos. I love creating them for you, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces, people.